Yo, what's up, man? The Tim man here, y'all. So yeah, what's up, y'all? This just another freestyle from the touchdown, man. It's just so fire, bro. So enjoy the freestyle, bro. Tim man, I dare. Let's do it. Yeah. Let me do it. Yo, shout out to the Rangers, man. Kid Ink, Soldier. Yeah, man. Yeah. For all y'all jerks out there, if y'all got Twitter, hit us up, man. Hit me up at LVGGPOLO, man. Let me kill it, y'all. Yeah, okay, I see these girls, ain't they like it when I touch down? You know I'm about to run 4 yards like an end zone. You know I'm about to get it on, and you know I'ma kill this song. And you know that I like your girl, and she know I never do wrong. Yeah, I like the touchdown in the end zone. If you wanna beat me, you wanna eat me like a calzone. Don't care about your haters or what you really say. I'll be reppin' for my town, yeah, this is where I stay. I sit back, I cock your haters, and you know I'm about to get my paper for all of y'all that I really don't stay. And you know I'ma get a lot away. And you know I shine side to Julian Lane and Day Day. You know I get my money like every day is my payday. Swag switch stupid, my whip game is foolish, my poor game incredible, something like Cupid. Yeah, I got my money, my swag is so stupid. Yeah, I'm getting love, but my name ain't Cupid. Okay, about your haters, or what you really do. I'm about to test down right on you. Yeah, I don't even care about your haters. And you know I'm cool, cause you know I rock my gators. And you know your girl like to kiss and give me hugs. Yeah, I'm about to touch down up in the club. Don't mess with me, but I'm just so fly. You see me with me, cause I'm a heck of a gobalados, the Spectros. That's all that I rock. Skinny jeans is on, cause you know they never gon' pop. Yeah, the skinny jeans on with a fitted cow. And you know I head to the back, and you the girl like that, cause you know I'm always getting sex. Hit me on my sweater, cause you know I'm about to hit her. And you know I'm about to beat it, boy, cause what this getters. You know you about to get me, it's just a relation. You know you want to get me, but you need participation. Get up out my face if you don't know the lyrics. You can't get with me, it will take so many spirits. And they say your boy that's me, I'm so lyrical. Wanna help me get up out the game, it'll take a miracle. You can't leave me, and you really don't want to. You know I'm about to get it, cause you know I'm about to burn you. You know I'm always fired up, cause you know I'm all the way turned up. Better get off fire extinguisher, cause you know your boy is burning up. Shout out to the Rangers, y'all haters in danger. Like through the bed, you know we dropping bangers. Yeah, I got the rosary around my neck. And you know I care about your haters, and that's where it's at. Shout out to Julian and boy and Day Day. And shout out to Langston, cause you know we get our May and we get our money up, cause you know we all the way turned up. Cause your ladies just was turned up. Y'all haters suck, get out my face. You wanna battle with me and arrange y'all in a different race. Okay, man, I'm reppin' for my town, and you know that you give me the crown when I touch down. I like that touchdown. Even on the ladies, they like to let me ride, cause you know I'm just too crazy. Yeah, they say I'm a beast when I'm in the sheets, and when I touch down, she gon' eat me like I'm about to eat. Yeah, I be going on your haters. I'ma holla at you later, and I'm gone, all up in my zone. I touch down every time you want to eat me like a calzone. Yeah, man, what you really about to do? And I got my videos popping up on my YouTube. Yeah, you know you bought me like a rubber band, but you're from your boy a transformer, Mr. Tin Man. Yeah, the Tin Man up in here, dog. You wanna get with me, but you rolling down like a hill, like a log. I ride the big cars like a Bugatti, even in a Lambo or even a Ferrari. Yeah, I got my money, and y'all just funny. Then I take a girl like the movie from like Honey. Yeah, you wanna see me win the ball. Then I get my money jerking, I can never fall, let go. So yeah, Shout out to the Rangers. Shout out to man. Shout out to every jerk out there, man. Shout out to Soldier Kid Inc. If you wanna, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, so look out for the Transformers, man. Look out for the Tin Man, the Scarecrow, and look out for my homeboy, man. Fortunately, he couldn't be here, man. Shout out to him now. So yeah, you wanna find us? You know what to look for, man. Find us on the YouTube. Alright, man. Tin Man, One Eye. Shout out to the Rangers, baby.